We care at VT Services. We understand that our customers are the foundation to our growth and our success. And we want every customer that we come in contact with to leave with that feel-good experience. We understand the frustrations that customers face should their device fail. And we do everything as a team to be proactive in providing updates and being as transparent as possible.
We repair iPads, tablets, Chromebooks, and laptops. Our ability to reverse engineer these products allows us to be a complete service solution to our clients. We stand behind all our repairs with a comprehensive warranty.
Here at VT Services, we have taken great pride in being a leader for solution providers in the computer hardware industry. We are experts not only at device repair, mobile devices, Chromebooks, iPads, laptops, you name it. We are experts at motherboard repair. This is going to save you more than half the cost of replacement parts. So if you have any kind of other gizmos, any kind of electronic components, we are going to be able to take a look at it for you and provide a solution.
Every interaction is important to us, whether it's through a phone call or an email. Our team believes that stepping out into the field helps us nurture and solidify every one of those relationships. By traveling nationwide, we get the opportunity to meet people of all technology backgrounds, which helps us gain insight on the challenges that they face so that we can become a solution provider in the computer hardware industry.
We want everyone to know that VT Services is here. Customer satisfaction really matters to us. We're constantly trying to be innovative and the solutions that our customers need.
To see if we'll be in your town next, visit our website at vtechsvc.com or visit any of our various social media platforms.